Ji, Honorable Minister of State, Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, Srimati Bharti Pabin Pawarji, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Assam, Sri Keshav Mahantaji, Director IIT Guwahati, Professor T.G. Sitharamji, Senior Government Officers, Academician, Faculty Members, Delegates and my dear students. ये हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत खुशी और सम्मान की बात है कि भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी आज हमारे बीच उपस्थित है। श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी कुछ प्रमुख तकनीकी और स्वास्थ्य सुविधाओं को राष्ट्र को समर्पित करने के लिए आज हमारा बीच उपस्थित है। देश के राष्ट्रपति का सम्मानीय पद ग्रहण करने का बाद माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी का यही पहला असम दौरा है। माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी की यह यात्रा ऐतिहासिक है। असम वासियों को की ओर से मैं मां कामाख्या और महापुरुष श्रीमंत शंकरदेव की इस धन्य भूमि पर उनका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। অসমবাসীৰ হৈ মহামহিম ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি শ্ৰীমতী দ্ৰৌপদী মুৰ্মু ডাঙৰীয়ানীক মই এই মা কামাখ্যা ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ আৰু মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ পবিত্ৰ ভূমিলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো। श्रीमती मुर्मू जी हमेशा गरीबों और वंचितों के प्रति अपने समर्पण और प्रतिबद्धता के लिए जानी जाते हैं। यह देश में नारी शक्ति के एक मिसाल है। उनका असाधारण जीवन लाखों देशवासियों को शक्ति, साहस और प्रेरणा देते हैं। अपनी व्यस्ततापूर्ण कार्यक्रम से समय निकालकर वो हमारा बीच में उपस्थित हुए, इसके लिए उनके मैं बहुत आभारी हूं। आसामवासी इस दिन को हमेशा याद रखेगा। I am very glad to share with you that Assam and the Northeast is in the midst of remarkable transformation today. Under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, there are rapid changes and growth in every sector, from connectivity to commerce and infrastructure to healthcare sector. This has happened because of the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, who considered Northeast as the Astalakshmi and a new engine of growth of the country. Honorable Prime Minister has remarkable scientific temperament. He is an ardent practitioner of scientific strategies. He believes in leveraging the power of science for human progress and making the country future ready in implementing technologies which will allow far greater penetration of services such as education, healthcare and banking to our citizens. India has made giant leap in the field of science and technology in the past 8 years under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. The country has witnessed how Prime Minister stood with scientific community at all times. It is in the line with this vision of the Honorable Prime Minister that we have witnessed the launch and inauguration of 4 key technological and healthcare initiatives of the central and state government by the Honorable President today. Before I talk about the project, I would like to brief Honorable President of India about IIT Guwahati. Within a short duration of its existence, IIT Guwahati has made the region and nation proud by its achievement in the national and international sphere. This institute is taking up the responsibilities of collaborating with the state government and providing technological solutions in various areas. In one such example, in the field of medical research, the government of Assam, in collaboration with IIT Guwahati, is setting up a multi-speciality hospital at IIT Guwahati campus. This will be a hub for advanced training and capacity building in the healthcare. The supercomputer Param Kamrupa being inaugurated at IIT Guwahati will be useful in taking up many challenges in the areas of diverse fields. Some of them are healthcare, bioinformatics, quantum computer, big data analysis, advanced weather prediction, disaster prevention, and various aspects of development of artificial intelligence. The second facility which has been inaugurated is the indigenously developed high-power active and passive component laboratory of Samir at IIT Guwahati. This will be dedicated to design and development of high-power microwave component having very critical application in defense sector and other industries. This technology will also provide a huge thrust to medical science, especially for the treatment of cancer as well as non-destructive testing. We'll know how ICMR National Institute of Virology, ICMR NIV in India, has been in the forefront in augmenting the country's capacity to combat the viral pathogens. Government of India has decided to set up 4 zonal National Institute of Virology, one each for South, North, Central and East. Today, Honorable President Srimati Draupadi Murmu has laid the foundation stone for 2 more NIV units to be set up in Dibrugarh, Assam in the East Zone and at Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh in the Central Zone. Both the center would cater to the viral diseases threats of this region. These 2 institutes will build a strong research network in the field of virology. I'd like to thank Honorable Prime Minister for choosing Assam to set up the NIV zonal testing laboratory, virology laboratory for the East Zone. It could have been in Calcutta, it could have been in Bhubaneswar, but Prime Minister has chosen to set up in Dibrugarh. Our heartful gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister. Assam has taken significant steps to ensure improved healthcare facility for its citizens by establishing multiple medical colleges across Assam. Till 2014, there were only 6 medical colleges in Assam. However, since the time of formation of Modi government at the center and in Assam, 3 medical colleges including Difu, Lakhimpur and now at Hn'ble have been constructed. We have taken steps for setting up 15 new medical colleges, out of which 7 medical colleges are under various stages of construction. Construction of 5 new medical colleges will commence from November this year and 3 medical colleges will be taken up next year. Of this, Hn'ble Medical College and Hospital is the 9th medical college in the state. I am delighted to inform you that with its inauguration, a long-felt need of the people of the district and the region will be fulfilled. Hn'ble district has a huge riverine area and till date, the medical facilities available in the district were not adequate. Inauguration of the medical college in Hn'ble today is therefore a landmark development. This medical college and hospital is constructed over the area of 33 acres. It has been set up having 111 faculties in 24 departments with a total project cost of rupees 509 crore. This is a 500-bedded teaching hospital having annual intake of 100 MBBS seats with residential campus for the student, faculties and for administrative establishment staff and other positions. This is equipped with the facility for OPD, IPD, ICU, round-the-clock emergency, modular OTs, blood bank, and various diagnostic services. Till 2004, there were 725 medical seats per annum and 379 PG seats in Assam. Now with the commissioning of Hn'ble Medical College, total MBBS seats has gone up to 1200 and PG seat to 722, which will help in meeting the standard WHO requirement of doctor population ratio of the state. Once construction of all proposed medical colleges is complete, this will take up the number of medical colleges to 24 with annual intake of 2,700 MBBS students, along with the proportionate increase in PG seat. On the other hand, to ensure affordable health care and for providing cashless treatment, 27 lakh families in Assam have been covered under the Government of India's Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. We are in the process of adopting approximately 58 lakh families of the state from the database of National Food Security Act for both Atal Amrit Abhiyan and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme to increase the coverage of cashless treatment. With the blessing of the central government under the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the health sector in the state has made a remarkable progress. With improvement of healthcare facilities in our state, several indicators like under 5 mortality rate, IMR, NMR, and institutional birth in public facilities as per NFHS 5 have improved, and in this sector, Assam has performed better than the national average. In COVID-19 vaccination, we have administered more than 5 crore doses of vaccine as on that in the state. In the cancer care, also in the month of April this year, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has dedicated 7 cancer care centers to the people of the state. He also laid foundation of another 7 such centers on the same day. Such a robust infrastructure of cancer treatment has made cancer care affordable, which is seen as a great support to the patient and their families. मैं ढूबरी मेडिकल कॉलेज का उद्घाटन के लिए माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय का आभारी हूं। यह मेडिकल कॉलेज निचले असम के जिलों में विशेष चिकित्सा उपलब्ध करवाने में काफी मदद करेगा। इस महत्वपूर्ण मेडिकल कॉलेज के शुरू होने से ये एक बड़ी आबादी को अच्छी चिकित्सा मिलेगी। मैं आज इस कार्यक्रम में माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी की गरिमामय उपस्थिति के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। इस कार्यक्रम के सफलतापूर्वक आयोजित करने के लिए IIT गुवाहाटी की भी सराहना करता हूं। इस कार्यक्रम में आप सभी की उपस्थिति के लिए एक बार फिर धन्यवाद देता हूं और इसी के साथ मैं अपने भाषण को यही समाप्त करता हूं। पुनर्बार অসমবাসীৰ হৈ মাননীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি মহোদয়ক মই স্বাগতম জনাইছো। মাননীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি মহোদয় আজি ৰাতি অসমত থাকিব। অহাকালিও অসমবাসীক আৰু কেইবাটাও নতুন প্ৰকল্প তেখেতে উপহাৰ দিব, আধাৰশিলা স্থাপন কৰিব। মাননীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি মহোদয়ৰ এই অসম ভ্ৰমণৰ বাবে তেখেতক বহুত ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাই মই মোৰ বক্তব্যৰ সামৰণি মাৰিছো। ধন্যবাদ। জয় হিন্দ, বন্দে মাতৰম, ভাৰত মাতা কি জয়।